Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of crafting with the best Cricut Insert Card Mat available, perfect for all your card-making needs. Let's get started. Introducing the Cricut Card Mat 2x2, a reusable, non-slip craft mat designed to streamline your card-making process. Craft 4 cards simultaneously, saving you time and effort while ensuring precision and efficiency in every design. Whether you're whipping up last-minute invites, heartfelt thank you notes, or personalized birthday cards, this mat is your go-to companion. Compatible with all Cricut Explore and Cricut Maker machines, it seamlessly integrates into your crafting setup. Crafting made easy, that's the motto here. With this mat, you'll breeze through projects, whether it's vinyl transfers or intricate cutout cards.
The possibilities are endless, and your creativity knows no bounds.
Safety first.
This cutting mat features 2 pieces of protective film to keep your crafting area safe when not in use.
Plus, the markings on the mat ensure accurate positioning for cards of different sizes, giving you flawless results every time.
From birthdays to holidays, create beautiful, handmade cards right in the comfort of your own home.
Cricut products are designed to make crafting a breeze, and this mat is no exception. Get ready to unleash your inner artist and elevate your card-making game. And there you have it, folks, the best Cricut Insert Card Mat on the market.
Make sure to grab yours today and take your card-making to new heights.
Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy crafting!